In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly download a Confluence page as a PDF. This process is incredibly useful for when you need to share information offline or simply want a hard copy for your records. Whether you're new to Confluence or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through these steps seamlessly. Let's start from your Confluence homepage, which is essentially your dashboard showing all the projects, spaces, and updates you're involved with. From here, you'll need to choose the workspace that contains the page you want to download. Think of workspaces as folders that include all related pages of a particular project you're working on. They help you stay organized, ensuring that finding any page is a simple task. Once you're in your desired workspace, the next step is to locate and click on the specific page you wish to download as a PDF. This page should display all the content you intend to save, so make sure you've selected the correct one. Take a moment to ensure it's fully loaded to avoid any missing content in your final file. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You should see a button labeled More Actions. It's represented by 3 dots. Clicking on this button will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, you're going to select Export. This function is specifically designed to allow you to save the page in various formats. After clicking Export, a list of formats will appear. Here, choose PDF as your desired format. PDFs are widely used due to their ability to preserve the layout and design of your content precisely, allowing them to be viewed across different devices without any formatting issues. Finally, click on the Export button to initiate the download process. At this stage, Confluence will prepare your page for export, transforming it into a PDF file. Depending on the size and content of your page, this may take a few moments. Once the preparation is completed, the PDF will automatically download to your designated Downloads folder. This straightforward process is designed to help you obtain a PDF version of any Confluence page with minimal hassle. Having a PDF file makes it easy to share, print, or simply hold on to important information. Next time you need a hard copy of a Confluence page, just refer back to these steps and you'll have it in no time. With this simple guide, you're all set to efficiently download and save your Confluence pages. I hope these instructions were clear and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy exporting.